In this video, we will browse through Khan Academy together. We will start by logging into the platform and reviewing some of the key navigation features together. To get started, go to khanacademy.org and click Teachers in the center of the screen. If you have an existing Khan Academy account, select Login. If you need to create a Khan Academy account, there are 5 registration options: using a Google account, Clever, Facebook, your Apple account, or any other email account you would like to use. Now, let's get started. Once you have your account set up, you will start on the teacher dashboard. We are now viewing the teacher dashboard, which is the home page for teachers. If you're seeing a different home page in the teacher dashboard, you can adjust your home page to the teacher dashboard in settings. There are a few important items on this page. The Courses button, which shows our academic content organized by subject and course. The search bar, which you can use to find content quickly by name or standard. The Khan Academy logo, that will always take you to your chosen home page. And the navigation button, which appears as your username, which can take you to a few other essential locations, including the learner homepage, the teacher dashboard, the parent dashboard, and settings. If you want to edit basic information, you can do this from the settings page, located from the drop-down of the navigation button. From the settings page, you can edit basic account information like usernames and primary language, reset your password, know which email account is linked to your Khan Academy account, select your homepage, and much more. It is important to double-check that the teacher function is selected, because only then you will have access to the teacher dashboard. On the teacher dashboard, you will find 3 very important tabs. The class tab shows all of your active classes. If you select a class, you'll be able to view the roster, student activity, mastery progress, and assignments for that class. We will discuss reports in more detail in a later session. If we return to the main teacher dashboard by selecting the Khan Academy logo at the top of the page, the second tab is the Students tab, which you can view the complete list of students who are connected to your account. This list contains all of the students currently associated with your teacher account, regardless of their assigned class. Finally, from the main teacher dashboard, you can access the Resource tab, which brings you to the teacher-facing materials on Khan Academy and also has a shortcut to Khan for Educators course. We know that many parents want to connect their own children to their Khan Academy account. From the navigation button, you can access the parent dashboard, where parents can add their child and create accounts for them. They can also monitor their progress and how they're achieving mastery in our courses. One last and important item to point out: where to find additional help if you need it. By clicking from the navigation button drop-down menu, you have access to a full page of resources about Khan Academy, community advice, and you can even file a request or support ticket to our support team to resolve any technical issues that may arise. We hope this video has helped you find your way around Khan Academy.